You're welcome to my channel. This is VsmDesigns. Today we are going to learn how to make this beautiful pocket design that was sent to me by one of my fans who is always ever ready to learn. In case you have a pocket design that you're finding it difficult to make, you can send it across to me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp link is on the description box. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscription button just below this video and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. If you are a returning fan, thank you for checking back. Now, let's go straight to the video. I have already cut my gum into the desired shape and size. The dimension of this pocket is 5 inches by 6.5 inches. Remember that the dimension of your pocket is dependent on the chest of the clothes you are making. So what I did is to fold this into 4 equal parts so as to get the middle of the pocket. Then I notch it off. Then I have a round object which I have also cut off the center. Now I've matched the two centers and use a biro or a pencil or a chalk to draw it on the gum. Meanwhile, if you have not watched my previous video on how to make this amazing pocket design, I have placed the link at the end of this video, so you will need to watch till the end for you to get the best out of it. Then I mark 2 1/4 and also mark it at the down part of the pocket. Then by the side I mark off 1 3/4 inches and also do the same on this other side. Remember that we are working with a sample, so we have to make it look like it, so we will not have the issue of what I ordered versus what I got. So I draw it off. I use a ruler to complete the joining. And cut. Instead of to make a mistake by drawing another line by this other side, I'm going to use this to trace this other part. Also cut it off. We are going to trim a part of this according to the size by which we want our combination to reflect. This is to ensure that While the edges are lined, we still have a space in the middle that will reflect our combination. We are going to gum it on the fabric. Then trim the inner edges. Make sure you notch every curvy part for easy folding. While folding, don't forget to make use of your sliced hemming gum. It's very important. If you have watched my previous videos, you will understand this. We bend it to form a ghetto for us to know where the gum ends. If you are getting value from this video, kindly hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you've not done so, and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified by YouTube. Now this is where the importance of notching that center comes in. This is the combination fabric we are going to use. Arrange the three parts according to how you want them to be and according to the size of the combination that will be showing. Then match the two center on the object and on the pocket and mark. We are going to sew just 1/4 of an inch beyond the circle line we've just drawn. Please, this is not the time to trim this underlay. I made a mistake while trimming this, and I will show you the mistake, but as a professional, I knew exactly what to do. I repeat, don't trim now. It's important you mark the circle again just for you to confirm in case it has shifted while sewing. And as you are marking, remember that you must make use of white tailor's chalk because that's the only chalk that you can easily clean. Keep that aside. Now get another piece of gum. Mark a round shape with the object you have been using. You will also need to find another smaller round object. Make sure you place it at the center and mark it off. Remember, I promised to drop the link on how to make this beautiful pocket design at the end of this video. Then you trim both the inside and the outside. Place it on the pocket and mark the inside off. Then we gum this and fold. Please do me a favor by liking this video, share to your friends and colleagues, subscribe to my channel if you've not done so, and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you'll be notified by YouTube. Now we are going to trim this just in between the two lines. I told you I made a mistake. You can see it here. And our round shape could not cover it. You can see I trimmed here off, but I later covered it. Now we fix our straps. It's at this point that you are supposed to trim the underlay. Thank you for watching this video. Now click on the banner on your screen to watch the next video.